Hi, my name is Ben Victorica, and I am creating this video to go over a demo that I created for the real estate show. So the demo is using the mobile application here. You're looking at my iPad. I'm going to select the application, and then I'm going to authenticate with my name, whatever that may be. So I'm going to put in Ben and log in. Now we have a couple of options. Under Activities is where I created the demo, and we're also going to be showing the customer what My Files is. So let's start with Activities. Under Activities, I've created 3 workflows. We have registration, we have Mindshift if the customer is interested in Mindshift, and we have a brochure showing them how they could use the mobile app, on a day-to-day basis. So if I select registration here, maybe they're standing here in front of me and I want to capture their information for a follow-up. So I select registration, I type in their name, their title, their address for follow-up, put the state initials here, their zip code, their phone number, their email address. We can show them that the mobile application allows for signature capture in case they are working with their own customer. They want to capture a signature just using a finger. Now we hit accept, giving them here a list of items that they may want follow-up in. IT services, scan, capture, and mobility. And you can see I created a add new item, need new copier. And then hit the plus sign, and now done. And then add files allows you to take their picture and add it, and we're going to overlay all this information onto a form. Select from My Files, or you can get a picture from your album. I'm going to show you all 3. So if I select from My Files, I am browsing my home folder at my computer where I know I have a picture of a koala bear. So I've added that picture, and now I'm going to hit submit. When I hit submit, the metadata is going to be sent and all the information is going to be overlaid on it. You can see now on the right hand side that a folder was created called registrations, and on my computer I could double click on that folder and see that a folder was created with follow-up, and then a subfolder for the person that was the lead, Ben Victorica, and then I have Ben's file here. I can also access that same information from my iPad. So I can select the My Files button, select Home Directory, Registrations, Follow-up, Ben, and he has a few things because I've been setting up the demo. So I'm going to hit the second PDF here and select download file, and you're able to show the person the results while they're sitting in front of you with the iPad. So we have all of Ben's information here on the left hand side. We have the koala bear, we have Ben's signature, we have that he wants more information. So that's how the first activity works and how My Files works. The other thing that's going to happen in this workflow is that it's going to route the file to a printer because you've captured everything digitally, and then they can have their own souvenir. The other thing here as far as activities that I created, one is if they're interested in Mindshift, you select the Mindshift button, you simply put in their name, Ben Victorica, and hit submit. That's it. As simple as that. That name is going to be overlaid onto a document that the customer will be able to present for a free assessment. Now you can see that a Mindshift folder was created, and if I double click here, you can see I created another folder on the fly for Ben, and underneath it is Ben's Mindshift registration. The file has also printed on the printer. In one workflow, we're capturing the information digitally, and then we are printing it off so that they have a copy. I can double click obviously here and look at the PDF, but I want to show you My Files again. I'm able to browse my home directory where I have registrations, and now I have both follow-up and Mindshift. If I select Mindshift, we have it for the person's name. We have a PDF that we created that I can select download file and show them on my iPad that we've taken the information, their name, overlaid it onto a special offer so that they can get a assessment. The last workflow that I created for the demo is something called brochure. Shows a real estate agent how they could use this application in their own environment. Let's say they're standing in front of a home and they want to take a picture of the home, put it onto a brochure, and send it to the client as an example. So they could have some templates already created and then just overlay that. So if I select brochure, now I can put in my name, what the agent's name is, the address of the home, the price of the home, and the home here that we're going to show is Cinderella's Castle, since this is in Orlando. So I thought I'd have some fun with it. Put what the agent's phone number is, their email address, select add files, and this time I'm going to get picture from album, and I have Cinderella's Castle here. I hit submit. The information is going to be overlaid onto a Keller Williams brochure. You know, the flyer will be ready to go. You could send a proof to the customer, start printing it, and put it in the flyer box. Okay, now you can see that a new folder was created here on the fly for brochures. And then based off of the agent's name, we have the picture that was submitted, plus the brochure that was created. And again, it's going to be printed on the printer right next to you, and you can show them that it's been saved in My Files. So you can select the My Files button, Home Directory, Brochures, the agent, and then you have the picture and the PDF. Select the PDF and download file. So you see here that we have Cinderella's Castle, home for sale, and then the agent's name, email, and phone number. Thank you very much for watching this video. Good luck at the show.